Dwi'n edrych ymlaen go iawn I Sold Out 2015 yn yr araf. Mae Baler yn lle arbennig, efo'r pobl arbennig, a pob tro da ni cyfarfod efo'n gilydd, mae Duw yn dod lawr a da ni newid. So I'm looking forward to Baler, to Sold Out 2015. And this time, we're going to be looking at a short story in the Old Testament, the book of Ruth. And this is a fantastic story that's both practical and spiritual all at the same time. We're going to look at relationships. The story of Ruth is a single guy and a single girl getting it together God's way. And so we're going to get very practical at Sold Out this year. We're going to look at relationships and romance and how to do things God's way. In a crazy world that's torn up God's script and done sex and relationships in a messy, haphazard way, we're going to look at what it means to be godly in relationships. So it's going to get really practical with teaching and seminars and small group discussions, Q&A time, prayer ministry to help us raise the roof. Do you get it? Raise the roof on relationships. Lift the bar and expect us to live godly lives in the way we do our relationships. So it's going to get really practical, but the book of Ruth is all at the same time really spiritual. It's about a couple getting together in a village. But there's a lot more going on because this village is none other than Bethlehem. Does that ring any bells? It sure does. From this village, God is going to send his son, Jesus Christ. In fact, Ruth's son, Obed, is the great-grandfather of King David, who in turn is the great times a few grandfather of none other than Jesus Christ. Ruth is about relationships, but more importantly, it's about redemption. From this little village, God's plan is going to unfold to reach the whole world and redeem people's lives. Now, all across Wales, we live in little villages and little towns where we do relationships and the small stories of our lives. Let's get to Bala and let's learn how from our little villages, God wants to roll out his plan of redemption for all of Wales and beyond. So relationships and redemption at Bala Sold Out 2015. I'm so looking forward to being with you. Book up today. Invite your mates today. Spread the word today, and let's get together to raise the roof on the book of Ruth. Pob bendith, and I'll see you there.